Good day, my name is Rodwin Bautista and I'm going to report about Deque push front. Deque or double-ended queues, usually pronounced like Deque, is an irregular acronym of the double-ended queue. Double-ended queues are sequence containers with dynamic sizes that can be expanded or contracted on both ends, either its front or its back. Unlike a vector, it's possible and fast to push front. Inserting elements at the end and at the beginning of a deck is fast. However, inserting elements in the middle takes time because elements must be moved.
So the library to be used is sharp sign include Deque. My topic focuses on Deque, the function Deque push front. Deque push front adds an element to the beginning of the deck.
Imagine I have a container. First, I'm going to put this box of soap inside the container and then this wax. And then I'm going to put this box of toothpaste. So the sequence would look like this. The box of soap at the bottom, the wax at the middle, and the box of toothpaste at the top. If I use the function Deque push front in this box of soap, this box of soap will be put on top. Therefore, if you take it, you would get the box of soap first, and then next is the box of toothpaste, and lastly this wax.
I have here a sample program. As you can see, I declared the library Deque, and in here I initialized the deck to be named as my deck and to have a value of 2/100. So the value of my deck is 100 and 100, and I have here my deck push front 200. So this function push front would input 200 in front of the deck. So the value or initial value of my deck is 100 and 100. Because of the function push front 200, 200 will be put in front of the deck. And push front 300, just like what happened in push front 200, the value 300 would be put in front of the deck. So the initial values were 200, 100, and 100. And because of the function push front, 300 will be put in front of the deck. So let us check. As you can see, the value or the output of the program is my deck contains 300, 200, 100, and 100. So I have here another program in which I also declared the library Deque. Here I declared the deck to be named as LM. And here I have a looping where I would use the function push front. In the looping, I initialize integer I to be equal to 1, and when integer I is less than or equal to 10, to increment the value of I. So in here, while the looping goes on, it will input numbers into the deck. So the first value would be 1. Regularly the value next to 1 after the looping should be 2, and 2 should be put here. But because of the function push front, the value 2 would be put in front of 1 here. And as the loop goes on, the numbers would be put in front of the deck. So C3, 4, 5, and so on until it reaches the number 10. So let's run the program. As you can see, the values are 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So that ends my report about the function of Deque, which is push front.